Welcome in the world of artificial intelligence under artificial intelligence using Python series of lecture. This is a lecture on introduction part 1. Hi, I am Dr. Sunil from GCS Solutions. The contents of this lecture are syllabus, that is we'll see what will the contents cover in this course. Then we will see the definition of artificial intelligence, that is AI, and at last we will see Turing test. Now the syllabus covered is broadly in 5 parts. That is, the first part will cover the problem solving using informed and uninformed search technique. Then we will under that we will see DFS, that is depth first search, breadth first search, best first search, then DFID, A star, taboo, beam, and so many other algorithms under the category of informed and uninformed search methods. Then we will also see the expert system design, under which we will see the rule based systems, that is design of rule based system. Then we will also see knowledge based system, which will be based on the agent based system, that is the system design based on the agents. Then after that we'll see the natural language processing, under which we will see the uh, use of NLP in language translators broadly. And at the end of this syllabus or this course we will see the artificial neural network, which is nothing but the human brain simulation. So this is overall the syllabus of the AI. Now here artificial intelligence as such can be broadly classified in various subdomains. That means there are so many things which can be covered as the syllabus of AI, like reduction, reasoning, problem solving, then knowledge representation, then machine learning, then robotics, that is motion and manipulation. Then we have natural language processing, then social intelligence, we are having planning and perception and computer vision, and there are so many other subdomains uh, under machine learning, which is the separate course which is available uh, under this channel of GCS solution. So broadly speaking, we will be focusing on the core domains of the AI. Let us now see the definition of AI. An artificial intelligence is a technology that behaves intelligently using skills associated with human intelligence, such as ability to perceive, to learn, to reason, and act autonomously. Now, if we try to understand this definition, we will see that how this definition is a reflection of the definition given by psychologists. How do psychologists define intelligence? And intelligence is nothing but the capability of learning the things, the ability to recognize the problems around the world, the ability to solve the problems, and to solve these problems we use our intelligence. If same behavior is reflected or simulated in some technology, then we may call that technology as artificial intelligence. So if some technology has the simulation of the human intelligence, then we may call that technology as an artificial intelligence. The definition we saw in the earlier slide was typically a bookish definition. Let us now see few more definitions given by some of the AI experts. Now the first one is that AI is nothing but the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, where intelligence is the computational part of ability to achieve goals in the world. And this is the original definition given by John McCarthy, who has coined the term artificial intelligence long back in 1955. Now, according to John McCarthy, if the science and engineering is making some machine intelligent, and that intelligence is intelligence is driven by the computational part which makes machine to think, act and achieve the goal in the world, then that is nothing but the artificial intelligence. Now John McCarthy also has given an alternative definition, that is making a machine behave in the ways that would be called intelligent if a human were so behaving. If our machine is capable of behaving exactly a human behaves, then we may call that machine as artificial intelligence. Now the another definition is the science of making machine do things that would require intelligence if done by man. This is the definition given by an AI pioneer, Marvin Minsky, in 1968. According to Marvin, the science which make machines think exactly the way human thinks, and if the simulation of human intelligence is exhibited by machine, then we call that as artificial intelligence. Now the next definition is given by Demis Hassig, who is CEO of founder member of DeepMind, which is now part of Google. He says that the science of making machines smart is nothing but the artificial intelligence. If your machine is smart enough to think or behave or act like human being or to react like a human being, then we call that machine as an artificial intelligence. Let us now try to define AI in our own way. But to define AI in our own way, we need to first know some terminologies. The first is information. It is nothing but the facts provided or learned about something or someone. Whatever you know about something or someone, that is the information. Now thinking, it is the process of considering or reasoning about something. If you see something and try uh, thinking on it and reasoning on it, then that is the thinking. Intelligence is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. If you as a human being are able to acquire the knowledge, and after acquiring the knowledge, if you apply it in the real world, then that is the intelligence. Now what is machine? It is an apparatus using mechanical power and having several parts, each with a defined function and together performing a particular task. Like fax machine. Fax machine is nothing but the apparatus. It is apparatus having mechanical power to drive the operations, and it has several parts, and each of the parts has some definite function, and all together is nothing but a fax machine. Now using these terminologies, we can define artificial intelligence in very simple way. Now AI is nothing but the ability of machine to think and act independently using intelligence when an appropriate information is provided as input to the machine. Now this is very important because AI is nothing but a machine which is capable of doing the task like human being. That means it can independently think, it can independently act, and it can independently react. If such is the machine, then we call that as an artificial intelligence. Assume that we have designed an intelligent machine. Now question is how to test the intelligence of the machine. So there is a test for the machine through which we can check the intelligence. Alan Turing prescribed a test to determine whether a machine, typically a computer program, is intelligent or not. He put forward the idea of an imitation game wherein there is a human being and a computer, and these two entities will be interrogated by a human, and the communication between the interrogator and these two different entities is through teletype message communication. The overall setup of Turing test is something like this. There are two rooms, room A and room B. Now assume that in one of the rooms, say room A, there sits a person with a machine computer, and the other one is the room, say B, having only computer, having the program autonomously running. Now interrogator is outside these two rooms, and he is not known which one is which, that is which one is the human being and which one is the computer running autonomously. Now he can ask questions through a teletype and receives answer from both A and B. The interrogators need to identify whether A or B are humans. Now, if the machine fools the interrogator believing that it is a human, then that machine passes the Turing test. This is a very simple test which Alan Turing carried out and tried to prove that machine is an intelligent program which behaves like human being. So dear learners, how was the lecture? Please subscribe GCS Solutions. Like the video if you really like it. Share among the friends if you find it informative, and comments for the improvement. We are GCS Solutions, making technology easy to learn. Till next lecture, be intelligent.